folks, good morning. Mike Reyes here. As you know, at the beginning of the video, I showed you how to put down Grub X. And the heat, we've had 94, 96, 92, all in the 90s. Humidity is super hot. My grass was very healthy, and they ate it like that. But today, it's a week and a half have passed since I put down the Grub X, and it looks like it slowed down. We had some rain, which the Grub X penetrated through, which I loved it, and it slowed down a little bit. I kind of noticed that it's a little bit green now. It's coming back up, but today I am going to help it. I have peat moss that I'm going to put over my grass seed. I have perennial rye grass, or rye perennial grass, maloyonite, that's organic fertilizer, and then starter fertilizer as well to help that the seeds germinate. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, the bell, and see you and enjoy. It is 69 degrees. I just had breakfast. I got my muscle shirt on, and I'm ready to roll. Okay, folks, today we're going to cut the grass. I have a Cobalt 80 volt from Lowe's machine. Because I have such a small lawn, I don't need anything with gas or nothing. I also have a Ryobi 18 volt weed whacker. It works like a charm. The head on it turns for the edging of the beds, the edging of the sidewalk. So stay tuned so you can see us clean up this lawn before we start our major project. Okie dokie. Let's see what we got. As you notice, we got piles everywhere. They came up pretty easy, considering it's all the dead grass is right on top. I mean, that's how easy it is. And all we had to do was use a rake. A couple of places I use the thatch rake, but that's about it. It comes out pretty easy. I'm only surface raking right now. I do have a electronic it's a Sunjo or something like that, what it's called. It's also a thatcher. I bought it pretty cheap. I bought it on OfferUp. It does its job, but it also goes too deep, and I didn't want to go too deep, so I just wanted a surface because I do have a nice level lawn. It's not out of control. The only thing that was out of level was this little piece right here. Is sunk in. It used to be a bed. I had some kind of shrub there, a cypress, and I removed it, and I put the lawn last year, grass seed, not and it sunk in. So I re-leveled it in again. But overall, once we pick up all this, it's ready to roll. Okay, we're down to the final over here. As you see, Carlos, he's scraping up the rest of it. And we're almost there. Almost there. So stay tuned as we do our magic, like I always say. And this is the front. I only have a little tiny piece in front of the house. It's not much. It's a little sidewalk. This is the city, so we have a little bit of something. I have like a nice little chair there. I sit with the missus, and we sit there and criticize everybody that goes by. What else can you do, you know? That's all part of life. Most of the time we say hello. But this is what it looks like. And in a few minutes, we're going to start putting maloygonite down, seeding it, and peat moss. Stay tuned. Okay, here we go. Now the time has come. My turf builder, my little machine, that thing comes in handy. I'm going to put down the maloygonite first. You know that maloygonite stains this concrete. So, because I have to water in the seed, I'm going to do that first. And then I'm going to put this grass seed, and then I'm going to put the peat moss on top. So here we go. We're going to put the maloygonite. Hello folks, now we're going to put the grass seed down. I did put down the maloygonite. Maloygonite, everything takes maloygonite, so it didn't bother me put it in my turf builder. So now I'm going to do by hand because I have such small areas. I can't put it on the spreader because it goes into my beds, and then grass will start growing in the mulch beds and stuff like that. So right now all I'm going to do is hand spread it and do the best I can do with it, okay? Watch me. Okay, I threw grass seed on this side. Now we're going to put the starter fertilizer. Carlos is going to load it up. And I think he put it in already. I told him to put a little bit more in. And that should be it. And it says the setting on a turf builder, it says 3. So then we're going to put it on a 3. Okay? And he'll take it from there. Okay. Wonderful. Here we go. Oh, we put down the grass seed. Here we go. Now we're going to put down the peat moss by hand like that. Very simple. Doesn't take much. I've run into a little problem, and this is the mistake that I did. And a lot of people do this. Make sure everything you have, all the material. I thought I had enough grass seed, but I did not. Now I got to go back to Home Depot and get some perennial rye grass to finish up the front. There's only a little piece and some of the entrance. It's not a big deal, but I want to finish the job today. It's 1:30 already in the afternoon. I want to finish this job. So I'll see you guys when I get back from Home Depot, and we'll continue. Okay? Bye. Okay, we put some grass seed down, and Carlos is continuing giving that starter fertilizer. And we'll take it from there, and we'll continue. Okay, it doesn't look like much is coming out, but okay. Now we're down to the peat moss. Here you go, my good friend Carlos. Saluda. Carlos over there. Yep, he's putting down the peat moss. Just a little thing on top, nothing major. Just to hide at least the grass seed. We fertilized it with starter fertilizer, maloygonite, peat moss. We cleaned it up, we thatched it. There's nothing much more. Now hopefully Mother Nature can send me some water. That way I don't have to use my sprinkler system. But since it's not going to rain for the next 3 days, so I got no choice. I got to turn on the sprinkler system. Okay? So while he's doing that on this side, I'll let him finish up. I'm going to turn on the sprinkler system on zone 1, which is on that side, and soak it in. Okay, folks. Man, it's turning out nice. Oh, I cannot wait. Look at this. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, we're 1 week away from Labor Day. So, I'm hoping I'm going to have some grass for Labor Day. I won't be able to mow it, but I got some grass. And hopefully we'll enjoy it before Halloween gets here. And we definitely will pay attention to that. And I'm going to keep up on the videos to see if the time, how long it takes to grow. So you stay tuned, and we'll be right back. Okay, folks, we are done with the peat moss. We're done with everything, fertilizer and everything. Now I'm about to turn on the sprinkler system. So I'm going to go in the back, turn on the sprinkler system, and watch it come up. And they're going off. Look at that. Yep. There you go. Oh, we got a tree in the way over there. So we got to go cut it somehow. But it will. Nice. I can't even smell the peat moss and all the grass and everything. Fresh ground getting wet. Yep. And that's it, boss. That's it. We done it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I did. It's a lot of work, but I love this work. And see you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell. Hit the like. See you soon. Bye, everybody. Okay, people, the time has come. It is now 16 days. 2 weeks, 2 days. I did it the day before Labor Day, the week before Labor Day, the Sunday. And here we go. We are ready to cut the lawn. This is going to be the first cut. I have a piece here, I have a piece up in the front, and a piece in the back. Where it's a little high. As you can see, it is a little high, but I'm going to cut it down because the weather is cool, and since the sprinkler system is still on, I know you're supposed to do 1/3. But I'm going to break that rule. I'm going to go a little lower. I'm going to cut it to 2 inches, maybe 2.5, just to clean it up because it's growing really good and very fast. The only thing I put on there was the starter fertilizer 2 weeks when I first reseeded it. So it's time for another one. But I am actually going to cut it 2 inches. So stay tuned and watch me do the magic.